faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. Whew, it's a beautiful day to be beautiful. It's a beautiful day to be alive and well. And before I even go ahead and start this vlog fully, I just want to tell you guys thank you, thank you, thank you from the deepest part of me, from the deepest part of my heart, for all the love, for all the words of wisdom and of strength that you guys have sent us on our miscarriage video. Yeah, no, be careful, go and sit and eat. Just want to tell you guys that we appreciate all the love and all the support, and we just love you guys so much. You guys made me cry all over again yesterday after reading all your comments and all the inbox messages and all the DMs and everything that I've got. Yes, Tyler? It's okay, don't be scared, go and sit and eat. It's okay. He's scared of monsters. All the inbox messages that I got and all the outpouring love and support from each and every one of you, we appreciate it. It's the first time that we are vlogging since that video went public, so I just want to tell you guys that I appreciate everything, and your girl is doing well. She's fine because it's been a while since that happened, so I'm doing well. It's each day it gets better, and each day I accept it more and more to be what it is. But I am, you guys know me, I am very positive and I'm not giving up hope, and it will happen when the time comes, so no worries, your girl is good. On that note, right now I am heading out to the doctor with Tyler. Tyler is going to get an injection today, but I can't talk too loud because you know he's gonna hear me. So we're going to the doctor today. Can you say good morning, Faves?
Morning, Faves.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket.
You're going to the supermarket?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you gonna buy?
I'm going to buy champignon.
You gonna buy champignon?
No.
Okay, all right. He's so funny. Champignon in French is mushrooms. Anyway, you guys, so I'm heading out to the doctor with Tyler right now, and I'm going to meet Babe there, so you guys will see Babe a little bit throughout this morning's vlog. And yeah, that's what's up. I have to get back, and then Babe is going to come home to take care of Tyler later because I have to go work for a little bit this afternoon, and then when we get home from work I have to go back on the road because I think we're gonna do supermarket shopping today because the weekend is going to be busy, as you guys know. Yes, my love?
I got the champignon.
Wow, good job. As you guys know, we bought a house. That's our latest vlog, so if you guys didn't see that one, you guys would have to go and watch it. The link will be down below in the description box. Anyway, yes, Stella?
I go back home.
All right, go back home. He's going to his tent. So the weekend will be full of shopping and getting paint for the house and different things for the house, so we'll be busy this weekend. So we want to get shopping out of the way from in the week so we can utilize our weekend to do a lot of things focusing on the house. So on that note, I hope you guys are having a good day. No want anymore? You give me his toast. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and stay positive, you guys. Stay positive at all times. I'm gonna head out now, catch the bus, and I'll catch you guys while we're at the doctor. Oh, I need my sunglasses. The sun is out and it's such a beautiful day out. You can see people already at the beach. Look at that, so beautiful. The water is so blue, so beautiful. There's people jogging. The hospital is this blue building right here, so we are gonna go inside right now. Tyler, you ready to go see the doctor?
Yeah.
All right, are you not gonna cry?
No.
Good boy. All right, let's go. good boy. So Tyler won't cry. Only the baby cries, okay?
Okay.
Tyler's a big boy, right? There's a baby in the doctor crying, and Tyler said, Mama, the baby is crying over the doctor. So I'm trying to convince him that only babies cry, big boys don't cry. So he said, okay. He's so funny. We're here at the doctor, guys, and babe has just arrived. So we're just here chilling. Watch this little one playing.
Hello. How you doing?
How you doing, your Wendy Williams?
I'm doing well. No. Do I look like Wendy Williams?
No, because you say, how you doing? That's Wendy Williams talk.
Hi. It's Friday. I'm tired. I have a lot to do, but I'm tired. Hey guys, this morning I went to walk in the bus and I fall asleep in the bus. But I used to fall asleep sometime, but I always wake up. But this morning I didn't wake up. I went to the last stop. When I opened my eyes, I couldn't believe it was
the bus took him away.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Il a beaucoup grandi, hein, 5 cm.
Oui.
En 3 mois, il a fait 5 cm.
Well, how did you have your answer? He'll be tall.
Je l'ai bien mesuré, hein, je ne me suis pas trompé.
You won't be short like Mama. You'll be tall like Papa.
Bravo. Dans vos bras, comme ça, voilà. Boulou, boulou, boulou. Et après la brûlure, vous lui avez mis quel... Voilà,
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. My baby cried almost half of the way home. You cry at the doctor?
Yeah.
Why? Why did you cry? Take it
With
out of your mouth. Why did you cry?
the
Why did you cry? What happened at the doctor? Why you cry?
no good in the
What happened?
crying.
You crying?
Yeah.
He cries, say, Mama, Mama, and he cried on the bus until we almost got home. He stopped crying. After a long day, the fam bam is on the road. I feel so exhausted. I just want to sleep. Just sleep for a day. You fell asleep?
Yeah,
I fell asleep today too when I got back from the hospital.
I fell asleep when I was with Tyler
Oh
like this.
my gosh, we are both
I
so
just closed my
tired.
eyes and fall asleep, and I look at the time, it was 6 p.m. I said, okay, I have to give Tyler.
Man, we are exhausted. It's been a rough few days to say the least, but no worry, we'll be okay. We got this. Right now we are on our way to do our supermarket shopping late afternoon, late evening, because we want the weekend to get some stuff done at the new house. So we're going supermarket shopping right now to pick up a few goodies. We're not gonna do our usual big shopping because we're trying to get the fridge as empty as possible so that will be easier to move when the time comes. So yeah, we're on a mission to get some goodies at the store right now. Tala, you wanna say hi to the fish? You wanna tell them how you're feeling? How you feel? You got injection?
No.
You cry? Huh? You cry? You went to the doctor? loving the supermarket. Huh? You have read. I'm getting random loves and I love it. Ow! Alright. Stop now. We're coming on to end the vlog. What are you doing? Pull it? It's alright, don't pull it. Everybody in my household, well, my husband and I wouldn't say everybody because Tyler forever. You're naked. He take off his clothes and say, "Tada!" I'm not gonna show your face. Look.
Mama.
Say hi, Faves. Say hi, Faves. Tell Faves you're going to bed. Say night.
Come.
Say night. We are exhausted. We had a long day. This week has just really been rough. And a quick update, you guys. My grandma, to God be the glory, is doing a lot better than what she was doing a few days ago. My mom told me that today she asked my sister for rice and peas and fish.
And aquabody.
So once she asked for rice and peas and fish, you know, she's almost back to her old self. Thank you again for all the love of just everything that we've been going through and I've been going through lately. We appreciate every single one of you. We appreciate all the love, all the messages, all the DMs, every single message. I try to respond to every single one of you. Just going to go ahead and end out today's vlog here. We won't even go ahead and think about giving you guys any expression too deep tonight, so
We try to relax.
oh yeah.
Oh, it's the weekend. We have a lot to do.
Oh, there won't
but
be no
we
relaxing much this
It
weekend.
have to be a little things. We can't do another week as tired as we are.
Oh no, have to rest a little bit.
At least a
So
little
we are
bit.
going to take.
And France playing tomorrow.
Oh yeah. So we definitely have to go on the road and get stuff done to come back to watch that game. By the time you guys watching this, then you guys will know if France is out of the World Cup or they're in. So fingers crossed about it. Yeah, so you guys, thank you guys again for catch up and keeping up with us. And you guys don't really much watch my hair, okay? Babe, like when it's like this.
Yeah,
See?
you can put like
See?
this,
I told you, he loves my hair when it's like this. He don't mind. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. And I realize that we got a few new ones that's been commenting. We love and appreciate every single one of you. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow.